Hello to everyone. Today I will be discussing about algebraic expressions. So when we say algebraic expressions, this is made up of variables, constants, and operation. So we have here the example, 5x minus 3. X is the variable, three is the constant term, 5 is the numerical coefficient, or simply we call it coefficient. And then we have 5x and negative 3 is the terms. So there are two terms in this given example. When we say term is separated by plus and minus sign. So in this example, we uses the operation subtraction. Okay? Okay guys, so let's proceed to types of algebraic expressions. Number one is we have monomial. When we say monomial, it consists of one term only. Example, 2x, 3y, 5xy. So those are the example of monomial. Number two is binomial. So when we say binomial, it consists of two terms. Examples are 3x plus 5. We have x minus 2, 5x plus 7. So those are the example of binomial. And the third one is what we call as the trinomial or polynomial. So when we say trinomial, it consists of three terms. So the examples are x squared plus 2x minus 1. We have xy plus 7x minus 2. So that is the examples of trinomial or polynomial. So these are the types of algebraic expressions. So let us answer this question. This question is about evaluating algebraic expression. Evaluate the expression 3s squared plus 1 when s equals 2. So there's a given condition here, s equals 2. So when we evaluate algebraic expressions, all you have to do, class, is apply substitution. So from here, algebraic expression 3s squared plus 1. So this will be your solution. So 3s squared plus 1, since s equals 2, so 3 times 2 squared plus 1, then is equals to, you are going to apply the PEMDAS, the order of operations. So 2 squared, we have 4, then times 3 plus 1. Then 3 times 4 is equals to 12 plus 1, so the final answer is equals to 13. So if you are going to evaluate 3s squared plus 1 when s equals 2, so this will be the result. The answer is equals to 13. Okay, next question about evaluating algebraic expression. Evaluate the expression 2x squared y over x minus y when x equals 5, y equals 1. Again, you are going to apply substitution here. Just copy the given. We have now 2x squared y over x minus y. Then after that, substitute. The value of x is 5, so 2 times 5 squared y. So by the way, the value of y is 1. So times 1 over x minus y, so 5 minus 1. So we will write the equal sign here, aligned with the fraction bar. Okay, then this is equals to 5 squared is equals to 25. So 2 times 25 times 1. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Then simplifying this, 25 times 25 times 2. 25 times 2 times 1 is equals to 50 over 4. So 50 over 4. Then, since this is a fraction, always reduce it in simplest form or in lowest term. So this is equals to 25 over 2. So just leave your answer as improper fraction. So this will be your final answer, 25 over 2. Okay.
A few moments later.
Let us start with the definitions of the different terminologies used here in algebraic expressions. Number 1, we have the variable. When we say the variable is a letter or a symbol that represents a number, known as unknown quantity. The example, we have 8 plus n equals 12. So the variable used is n. A variable can use any letter of the alphabet, except O, and needs to be lowercase. Example, n plus 5, x minus 7, and w minus 25. If we will use algebraic expression in solving worded problems, so these are the words that lead to addition. We have sum, more than, increase, plus, altogether. And the words that lead to subtraction, we have the following: decrease, less, difference, minus, how many more. Write algebraic expressions for these word phrases. So we have 10 more than a number. Anybody can give the answer. A number decreased by 5. Yes. Next is 6 less than a number. We have a number increased by 8. Next, the sum of a number and 9. And 4 more than a number. So let us check your work. If your answer is the same with this, your answer is correct. Kindly check your work, please. Okay. Look at the answer on the screen. Let's try this one. Write algebraic expressions for these word phrases. A number plus 2. A number decreased by 1. 31 less than a number. A number b increased by 7. The sum of a number and 6. 9 more than a number. Okay, class, kindly write your answer in your notebook. Then I will give you 5 minutes to do this activity. Then later on, we will check your answer. Alright? Okay, kindly check your work now. Look at the answers on the screen. So check your work, everybody. You are going to answer this in your notebook. Activity number 1. Evaluate it using the values given. For number 1, n squared minus m. Use m equals 7 and n equals 8. Number 2, a times quantity x minus y. Use x equals 5 and y equals 2. Number 3, yx divided by 2. Use x equals 7 and y equals 2. Number 4, m minus n divided by 4. Use m equals 5 and n equals 8. And for number 5, x minus y plus 6. Use x equals 6 and y equals 1. So you are going to write the complete solution and of course your final answer. Thank you.